Jai Ma Skandamata. On the day 5 of Navaratri, we pray to Ma Skandamata. Skandamata and the mother of Skand, Kartikeyan or Murugan. He was born with an intention to kill Tarkasur, who had received cleverly a boon from Brahmaji that he can only be killed by Mahadev's son. As he knew, Mahadev was always leaned into meditation and Sati was no more. Since then, Sati was reborn as Ma Parvati. With her devotion, penance, and sacrifices, she then again achieved Mahadev's love. Their union was celebrated by all. As time passed, but no kids were born, as Shiva's energy was so high that nobody could carry that energy. Then that task was entrusted to Agnidev. Agnidev then took that energy for some times, then again handed it over to Ganges. Then from Ganges, 6 beautiful Kritikas took that energy in their womb and later on gave birth to 6 beautiful kids. And from then, when Ma Parvati's motherly instinct arised, she then combined the 6 beautiful infants into one 6-headed Kartikeyan, also known as Sanmukha. Ma Skandamata carried Skanda on her lap, and with all courage and power she protected towards victory. Similarly, like us, if we surrender ourselves to Ma will carry us, protect us towards victory. Jai Ma Skandamata.